Dear viewers, take my namaskar. Today I have decided to upload a series of videos on the 12 zodiac signs of Vedic astrology. Today I shall discuss on the first zodiac sign, Aries. Aries are the high, independent, Aries are self-reliant. Aries want to do any work themselves. They do not like anyone's interference about their work. They like flattery. If anybody admires them or appreciate them, they become happy. They do not like any criticism. They become furious or they become aggressive if they see that anybody is criticizing behind their back. This can make Aries seem difficult. Cancer, Pisces and Libras are signs that have complicated relations with Aries. The worst enemy of Aries is Libra. The strong personality of Aries is full of characteristics: impulsiveness, impatience, losing temper without any reason, altering their moods without any reason, selfishness, and authoritarianism. This is often accompanied by rudeness also. It's my question to you, to the viewers. Do you know what are the weaknesses of Aries? The weakness of Aries are excessive sincerity, aggression, impatience, authoritative mentality or dominating mentality on people, and self-reliance. Actually, amongst all the lower modes of manners, the good qualities of Aries are sincerity and self-reliance. The worst lower modes of manners of Aries are selfishness, arrogance, dominating mentality on people, not tolerating the criticism of people. This is my advice to my viewers or especially to the Aries. You should check all these lower modes of manners, otherwise you have to suffer in the long run. 1 and 9, amongst all the numbers, 1 and 9 are good for Aries to start their works or to do any work. Sunday and Tuesday are good days for Aries amongst all the days of a week to start any work or to do any work. Libra is the worst enemy of Aries, so Aries should not keep any companion with Libra or should try to avoid the companion of Libra. Ruby and coral are the suitable stones for Aries to use. Actually, Aries live long. 16, 44 and 58. These are bad years for Aries. Aries may have to suffer a lot at the age of 16, 44 and 58. Aries lost their health soon after their marriage. After 30, their health break down. Just after 50, they suffer from many diseases. So, Aries, you should be strictly aware of this. If you check all these lower modes of manners, you can reach to the highest pinnacle of success. You have this ability to reach to the highest pinnacle of success. I really confess this. Aries women are confident, self-reliant, cruel, arrogant, and modern. So, I don't want to lengthen my speech. Hope that you have got a clear conception on the characteristics of Aries. So, from today onward, Aries should try to check these lower modes of manners to reach to their desired destination. At the end of my discussion, my viewers, you are earnestly requested to subscribe or to press the like button or to press the notification bell or subscription bell to get notifications of all my uploaded videos and not to miss a single uploaded videos from today onward. Namaskar.